I was worried too because like when she was born, she looked a lot like me, too much like me. Even to the point where she had no neck. No neck. I was worried. Because what if one day I bought her a necklace? She's like, where does that go? But I had something planned though, just in case if it happened. Like we could walk and hold her hand and go to our no neck time. I'd be like, don't worry, honey, vampires can't hurt us. I don't know. I just remember my wife, when she was very, very pregnant, probably 7 months pregnant, she was like carrying laundry. She like dropped a sock. And she was like, I was like watching TV. I was looking at her, she's like, my stomach, I can't get that. I was like, welcome to my world. Finally, you understand me. Now, I want to say, I gotta say this stuff, especially to you ladies out there. Ladies, stay as beautiful as you are. Just like you are. Done. Beautiful. Already got it. Don't have to do anything else. Good for you. That's it. I don't want you guys to get caught up, because I work in the media, like the magazine covers. Because you think, oh, that's how you're supposed to look, because they put the magazine covers up there, the airbrushing and the Photoshop, all they do on those ladies. Those ladies don't actually look like those ladies. That's how crazy it is. Like this right here, this is the look right here. This is the look that they're going for. You want to be a model? And there. Just put that down the aisle. Look, it's a model. You see those ladies? They're all walking down the aisle. They look like they got that cool walk. You ever see? Is that a cool walk they got? You think, oh, that's a cool walk. Mm-hmm. They're so fatigued from not eating. They're just trying to rest. They're like, oh man, this is tough. Those are heavy. We're gonna go. I'll go back. You think that's an intense look, the cover girl look? Look at that look, the cover girl look. Cover girl look. They're looking for food. That's when they go in the back and they're like, I saw Skittles out there in the 7th row. You guys be careful too. Don't get caught up in those ladies and think, oh, that's the kind of girl I want to marry. I want her to look like that. The only place that you probably find a lot of girls that look like that, how they have on the magazine covers, are usually in plastic surgeons' offices. And that's scary. You know why? Because you're gonna marry a girl like that, or get married to a girl like that. And you're like, look at her, she's so beautiful. We're gonna have such beautiful children. Maybe. You get a yearbook. You don't know. Everybody's all quiet. He's like, I get it. This world is trying to push you guys into what is image of beauty and everything. It's so horrible. They're trying to make you guys think like cosmetic surgery. That's something you should do. Right there, yeah. The collagen injections for your lips. Because that's what men want, right? We want to marry those ladies who look like they kiss beehives. Yeah. I feel bad for those ladies who can't afford that. They're just at home with the lipstick, and they just go a little bit on the outside. Nobody will notice. I'm like the master of disguise. They walk into the room, they think they're hot stuff. All the guys are like, hey, what if she can make me a balloon animal?